Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Nissan Frontier key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, both old and new, as you will program them all at once. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. You'll need access to the ignition and the door lock button, so familiarize yourself with their locations before starting. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful programming experience. To begin, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and unlocked. Insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it 6 times within a 10-second window. This action signals the vehicle's computer. You'll know you've successfully entered programming mode when the hazard lights flash twice. This confirms the car is ready to learn new key fob codes. Now, insert a key into the ignition and turn it to the ACK position. Immediately press any button on the key fob once. The hazard lights will flash again, confirming the fob is programmed. Remove the key. Repeat this step for every single key fob you wish to program, including any existing ones that already work. This ensures all fobs are recognized by the vehicle. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition to the off position. The hazard lights will flash 3 times, confirming the process is complete. Now, test each programmed key fob to ensure all buttons, like lock and unlock, function correctly. If any fob doesn't work, repeat the entire process. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.